As a mechanical engineering technician, or more commonly known for the trade name as a millwright or industrial mechanic, you work on all different types of machinery, and you look at anything from welding, fabricating, machining, working with hydraulics, electrical, there's rigging and lifting, there's sheet metal work. The list of things that you do is pretty extensive, and that's what makes it so exciting.
So far we've welded, we've learned how to use mills, lathes. We also use hand tools, like how to properly dull things out or like sharpen a drill bit and stuff like that.
Well, St. Clair, especially this specific program, we have a multi-million-dollar facility where we do most of our training, as well as some of the other buildings on campus that we use for training that are still state-of-the-art, and they're constantly being upgraded and being advanced. And we definitely have faculty here that are looking to always improve and make things better and match the industry demands for our students.
I think a kind of student who would enjoy this field would be someone who knows that they're a hands-on learner, someone who enjoys the skilled trades and wants to excel in the world of working with their hands.
So if you're the type of person that likes troubleshooting and a lot of the critical thinking that goes into doing repair, installation of machinery, come to St. Clair College. We have a state-of-the-art facility with faculty that are just as passionate about the trade as they are with teaching our students, and this is the place to be.